Hey Meta, I'm hungry. Give me a good chicken spot in Winston-Salem, North Carolina.
Here are some good chicken spots in Winston-Salem. Milner's American Southern, Moselle's Fresh Southern Bistro, Simply Soul Restaurant, Slappy's Chicken, and Sweet Potatoes Restaurant, plus Miss Ora's Fried Kitchen.
Let me see what this breast had on. That mug wet, boy. Look at that. Let's see what Slappy's chicken had on, man. Never had it. Let's try it. Let's get some gas first, because I am on E. All right, so this is Slappy's chicken, I'm guessing. I'm loving the artwork on the side. See? Oh, that ain't it. That's how you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Oh, okay, that's something else. Must be a tattoo shop or something. Oh, Slappy's on this side. Okay. Got a nice little sitting area out here. Slappy's chicken. Slappy's. I'm about to say slap. Hey, how you doing? Alrighty. Usually these type of spots be having some good food, so let's see. Oh, special juicy fried chicken and spicy savory homemade sauce with the right amount of heat and a little bit of sweet. What's going on, bro?
How you doing?
It's my first time here, so.
All right, welcome. Fried chicken and sides. Most people get a quarter chicken tray. Sides down here come with two.
Y'all got like a wing tray. Yep.
We don't. It's just leg and thigh quarter or breast and wing quarter.
Okay, let me do the breast and wing.
All right. And the chicken's fried, and we dip it in its sweet and spicy sauce.
Okay.
Slappy sauce.
All right.
You get it on the side, but dipping it is the way to go. I think.
You said dipping in this. I'm gonna dip it in there. Then.
Yeah.
I'm gonna dip it in there. For my size, I'm gonna do
Mac and collards are the most popular, but they're all.
Yeah, I was thinking I'm gonna do mac and I do the mac and collards. I kind of want to do the baked beans. I'm gonna do the baked beans too on the side.
All right. Is that gonna be for here?
Yeah, for here.
Awesome. Need a drink?
Yeah.
You got
I'll do a tea. You got tap to pay? Ha ha. What we got? Let's see what we got. This little big roll. Oh, okay. We got that collard greens with that. Oh, don't fly on me now. With that mac and cheese. That looks savory. That looks wet. Wet like I be liking it. Wet just like I be liking it. And then we got some baked beans. What the baked beans looking like? You know what? I want to dig in those baked beans just real quick for the one time. I want to dig in the baked beans for the one time. Hold it. Let me dig in these baked beans for the one time. Yeah, alright. I don't know why I'm digging in the sides first. I'm gonna dig in these sides first. See what this mac and cheese on. It's straight. It ain't really been a doubt. No, but I really can't boil some chicken.
What's in your belt?
You see what that motherfucker wet. What's that?
Yeah. So what's the How old is the guy in county that you're talking about?
Yeah, I might eat that damn on gristle.
Yeah.
It's alright.
Wow. Then you join
I'm gonna give it
You have your office set up.
a 6
You
out
got
of
money
10.
coming in the door, expanding his business, eating up the office.
A 6 out of 10. I'm still gonna smash it though, because I'm hungry. Let me see what this breast had on.
He's an architect.
That mother wet, boy. Look at that.
I know they live right down the street from where I live. Corner
Still a
house.
6 out of 10. Mm-hmm.
That makes sense. The house is always designed now.
You try. Maybe you'll like it more than I did. But I'm still gonna smash it.
To me, like that, like infrastructure, I know it's a different area.
Smash.
So I
Come on, bro.
yeah, check this out. Really,